5 signs you're dealing with a narcissist. Protect your peace. Have you ever felt like you were walking on eggshells around someone? Maybe you left a conversation feeling like your words didn't matter, or worse, like you were the problem. If you found yourself in this kind of situation repeatedly, it's possible you're dealing with a narcissist. Narcissists can feel like emotional black holes. They drain your energy, confuse your thoughts, and make you doubt your reality. But here's the crucial part. Recognizing the signs can empower you to break free. When you understand how they operate, you regain control over your emotions and your peace of mind. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 unmistakable signs that you're dealing with a narcissist. I'll also give you some practical tools to help protect yourself from their manipulative games. Stay tuned, because this knowledge can completely transform how you deal with toxic relationships in your life. By the end, you'll be better equipped to navigate these situations without losing your peace. 1. They turn every situation into a spotlight on themselves. Narcissists have a way of making every conversation about them. When they enter a room, they expect all eyes to be on them. It doesn't matter if you're sharing something deeply personal or venting about a challenging day, they'll somehow redirect the conversation to focus on their own experience. For example, imagine you're opening up about a difficult moment in your life. Instead of offering support or sympathy, they might cut you off with something like, "That reminds me of a time when I went through something even worse. You won't believe what happened to me." Suddenly, the attention shifts from your experience to their exaggerated version of hardship. The focus always has to be on their struggles, no matter how trivial or inflated. This behavior stems from deep insecurities. Narcissists crave validation to temporarily fill the emptiness they feel inside, and unfortunately, that often comes at your expense. They rely on others' admiration and attention to boost their fragile self-esteem. When they aren't the center of attention, it makes them feel vulnerable. How to protect yourself. Don't feed into their need for constant attention. Set boundaries by steering the conversation back to yourself, or even walking away when they dominate the dialogue. You deserve to be heard without interruption or diversion. When you assert your boundaries, it prevents them from monopolizing your mental and emotional space. 2. They refuse to take responsibility for their actions. If you've ever been in a conflict with a narcissist, you've probably noticed that they can never admit fault. No matter the situation, they'll find a way to twist the facts, place blame on others, or deny their own role in the problem. For instance, if they forget your birthday instead of apologizing, they might say, "Well, you didn't remind me. I'm not a mind reader." Or they may go further and blame you, saying, "You're being too sensitive about it. It's just a date." This refusal to take accountability can make you feel like your concerns don't matter. Over time, it can leave you questioning whether your feelings are valid or whether you're overreacting. Narcissists thrive on this ambiguity. They don't want you to trust your own perception because it gives them more control. How to protect yourself. Stand your ground when they attempt to deflect blame. Be clear and firm about your boundaries and don't allow them to manipulate the narrative. Speak your truth, even if they try to twist it. You are not responsible for their actions, nor their inability to own up to them. Empower yourself by recognizing that their refusal to take responsibility is a reflection of their emotional immaturity, not your shortcomings. 3. They gaslight you into doubting your reality. Gaslighting is one of the most dangerous tactics a narcissist will use. This form of psychological manipulation makes you question your own memories, perceptions, and even sanity. They deliberately distort the truth to make you doubt your own judgment and become more dependent on their version of events. For instance, if you bring up something they said that hurt you, they might respond with, "I never said that. You're just imagining things." Or if you express concern over a situation, they may dismiss your feelings with, "You're overreacting. You always make everything a bigger deal than it is." This continuous questioning of your reality can slowly erode your confidence. Over time, you might even begin to doubt your own judgment, and that's precisely what they want to create: confusion and make you more reliant on their distorted version of the truth. It's all about control for them, and gaslighting is one of their most effective tools. How to protect yourself. Keep a detailed journal of your interactions. Write down dates, times, and what was said so you have a concrete record of events. When you feel like you're being gaslit, revisit your notes to ground yourself in the truth. Trust your instincts, they are often more accurate than you realize. Keeping a record of your conversations helps you stay connected to your own version of reality. 4. They show little to no empathy. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, is something narcissists often lack. While they might put on an act of caring or sympathy, their actions rarely align with their words. Their concern is usually self-serving, as they expect something in return. Imagine you're dealing with a personal loss or a challenging situation. A narcissist might say something that sounds like a supportive statement, such as, "I'm sorry to hear that," but moments later, they'll steer the conversation back to their own issues, dismissing your pain with comments like, "You'll get over it." Life goes on. This lack of empathy can leave you feeling isolated, devalued, and unimportant. It's important to remember that their inability to connect emotionally is not a reflection of your worth. It's a result of their own emotional limitations. Narcissists simply don't have the capacity for deep, genuine emotional connections. How to protect yourself? Focus on surrounding yourself with people who show genuine care and empathy. It's better to invest your energy in relationships that are rooted in mutual understanding and compassion, rather than wasting it on someone who is incapable of truly supporting you. Protect your emotional well-being by choosing relationships that nourish your soul, not drain it. 5. They exploit people for their own gain. For a narcissist, relationships are simply tools to get what they want. They don't view others as equals or friends. Instead, they see people as transactions, places to extract value from. They might give you just enough attention or affection to make you feel special, but it's always with an ulterior motive. For example, they may shower you with affection or attention when they want something from you. Once they've gotten what they need, however, they may disappear, leaving you feeling discarded. Or they might take credit for someone else's work or ideas, positioning themselves as the hero while others do the heavy lifting. This pattern of exploitation can leave you feeling used and unappreciated. Since narcissists are often skilled at concealing their true motives, it can be hard to recognize their manipulative behavior right away. The exploitation may seem subtle at first, but it's a pattern that builds over time. How to protect yourself? Pay attention to actions over words. If someone's behavior consistently contradicts what they say, take a step back. Protect your energy by fostering relationships that are built on trust, mutual respect, and support. Recognize the signs of exploitation early, and don't be afraid to walk away when someone uses you for their own gain. The final takeaway. Dealing with a narcissist can be emotionally exhausting, but you're not powerless. The first step to regaining your peace is recognizing the signs and understanding that their behavior is not a reflection of your worth. It's a reflection of their own emotional shortcoming. By setting clear boundaries, practicing self-care, and surrounding yourself with genuine, supportive individuals, you take away the power they once had over you. It's not always easy, but it's absolutely worth it. Remember, your mental health and happiness are non-negotiable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that empowers you to protect your peace and lead your best life. You deserve relationships that uplift you, not those that drain you. Take the steps to protect your peace today and never let anyone rob you of your inner calm.